Hi, in this video we're going to cover how to export data from Mingo to Excel. So anytime you see a grid, there's the ability to export data to Excel. So let's start on a dashboard where we have this graph of total production by facility by day. If you click on this expand icon, you get an expanded view of that graph, but then you can also view details. So if I click on view details, I get a grid of every single record that makes up that chart. And then I can export that data directly to Excel by just clicking on the button. And then here it's going to download. It'll be in the exact same format here. You also have the ability to add additional fields. So let's say, for example, you want some additional fields to show up in your export. You can check those off and show them as well. So let's go back to our dashboard here for a second and look at some other options. So let's say I'm looking at a table and I want to export this summarized data. So I can click on the expand icon and then click export to Excel. And again, it'll look like what you see here. Only difference is you don't have the up and down arrows in Excel, but you have the rest of the data. And then if we navigate through other parts of the system, for example, if we go to production history, where it shows all the different production runs that I've done, I can filter these any way I want, and I can export those to Excel. So again, I can just click and export to Excel. So almost every grid inside of the software has the export function, even on the operator screens. Scroll down, export to Excel. So you can export all of this data as well. So very functional, very easy to use, and it allows you to export this data if for some reason you want to pull it into Excel to do some other kind of reporting that you can't do inside of Mingo, or maybe you just want to archive the data.